Okay, it's time for some absolutely nuts, crazy deals here. We're on Creative Fabrica, and right at the top, when you first get into Creative Fabrica, there's this View Deals button at the very top, and this expires at the time of this recording in about 8 days. This is Christmas in July. I'm going to click on the View Deals. Wait until you see what's going on here. This is absolute madness. So this is 90% off on millions of products. Now the first section here is fonts, so 90% off. So regularly $17 is $1.70, regularly $16 is $1.60. You get the idea. I'm going to be focusing here on graphics. So graphics, I'm a big bundles guy. So here, for example, we've got Christmas in Autumn, 200 plus designs, 50 cents. Yes, you heard me correctly, 50 cents. So this is 200 SVG, DXF, EPS, PNG, PDF files, Christmas and Autumn bundle. There's a couple little thumbnails here. Scroll through, 50 cents. What else do we have? As I scroll on down, we've got another Christmas bundle, 119 designs. They're not all Christmas, by the way, but this is just another one here. Christmas and Autumn bundle, and this is 11 different designs, and we can see here we've got some gnomes, we've got 12 designs here, 21 quotes, 22 Christmas quotes. Again, all of this is 50 cents. Okay, if you're on the main page and you just scroll down into the graphics section, you may look at this and just go, well, there's only like 12. Like, that doesn't seem like there's millions and millions. Well, here's the little deal here. Right there, it says View All Graphics. And when I click on this View All Graphics button, lo and behold, we get 1 of 36 is showing out of 1.42 million graphics. This is not a typo. Over here are the different pages, page 1, page 2, page 3. This is page 39,461. Now there's a relatively easy way that you can look through this stuff as well. So what I'm going to do is just go back to the beginning on the page here. So I'm on the main Creative Fabrica page, and I'm going to click on at the very top, View Deals. And now what you can do is simply search inside the promotion. So I'm going to type in cat bundle, for example. And now I get to this search screen. So it can look a little overwhelming at first. I'll just zoom in here a little tiny bit, but it's actually pretty cool because now the search filter is over on the left-hand side. So we've got 2,800 results found in 17 milliseconds. And this is a cat bundle. So this is 90% off. Let's just take a look at this one, 20 cat bundle. I'll open this up and we'll look at the one right next to it, 20 cat bundle. That one's $5. So we'll take a look at the first one. So this one is 30 cents. And it's 20 different cat designs. The next one was $5. It's now 50 cents. And we've now got 20 different cat designs. I do want to point out, you simply add to the cart, you buy it. You don't need to worry about the subscription. You don't need to worry about, am I going to lose my license? Am I going to keep my license? When you buy this, you get lifetime license. So if you're making t-shirts, if you're making coffee mugs, that kind of thing, that's what you want. Now I'm going to click on this Need Full POD License just to see what it says. Okay, so here we go. So for 39 cents, you can get the POD license is perpetual. This is as simple as it sounds and means that the customer, you, are allowed to use the licensed product indefinitely. The full POD license is especially created for print-on-demand users. So if you're selling t-shirts on Merch by Amazon, if you're selling on Redbubble, TeePublic, Shopify, WooCommerce, the list goes on and on, I would recommend you get the full POD license. It might be a couple pennies more, but again, with the actual 90% off, it's still massive. So, okay, so let's take a look here. We've got cat bundle. What else do we have? How about dog bundle? And you'll see it updates almost instantly. There's almost 3,000 results. And here we've got cartoon dogs, a lot of stencils, funny dog bundles. Now I'm typing in the word bundle. If I remove the word bundle, it instantly pops up and you'll get a lot more 1 and 2 offs kind of thing. So here's dog illustration art, 40 cents. There's a dog PNG file. It's like 10 cents. So I'm typing in the word bundle just because I really want to see what else is available. So we've got dog bundle. How about Christmas bundle? Christmas bundle, we get 9,000 results. You can scroll through there. So what I would encourage you to do is just simply type in whatever type of bundle you're looking for. Halloween, for example. There's over 4,000 Halloween bundles. Now, some of them might just be a couple designs, but you get a lot that are 10, 20, even 30 or more designs in the bundle. So that's pretty cool. So I'd encourage you to check out Creative Fabrica. I'm going to put the link down in the video description below. And what I want to encourage you to do is click the link and check it out. And if you want to buy something, great. Now, I do want to point out the link in the video description is an affiliate link. And what that means is if you click the link and you wind up purchasing something, I would receive a small commission. But I do want to encourage you to check this out because there's so much. This is a really rare opportunity because you're getting so many different things on sale at the same time. 1,800 sports bundles, for example. Silhouettes, clip arts. You can open up any individual one and you can see what's involved inside the bundle. So here, 30 cents gets you these 16, basically they're like t-shirt designs, but you can put them on coffee mugs or apparel. So I'd encourage you to check it out. What you want to do is click on the link in the video description below. That'll take you to the main Creative Fabrica page. And then right at the top, you're going to see View Deals. So you're going to click on View Deals. And then from there, you'd want to type in something where you want to search. So you could type in, for example, football bundle. It doesn't matter really what you search for. It's just going to get you to this search window. And then what you can do here is you can click on and off the July promotion, which is what this is, the 90% off. And you can also type in any search term that you like. Ballet bundle, 81 results. There's just millions of files on here. It's absolutely crazy. So anyway, enjoy. Have a good look through Creative Fabrica. I love being an ambassador for them. And as always, feel free to throw a comment if you find something really cool down, and throw it down in the comment section. And let's share the love here. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day, and hopefully you found this helpful.